In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MetaTrader 5. This process is crucial for accessing your trading account and managing your investments effectively. Let's get started. To begin, you need three essential things from your broker. These are your login details, which is your account number, your password, and the server name. These elements are vital because they connect you directly to your broker's server, allowing you to execute trades. First, let's open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, the process is the same. Find the MetaTrader 5 icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Click it to launch the program. This may take a moment, but once it opens, you'll see the MetaTrader 5 interface. Now, we need to open the login window. You have two options to do this. The first method involves clicking on the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. From this drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. Alternatively, if you prefer using the navigator, look for it on the left side of your screen. Right-click on Accounts, then choose Login to Trade Account. Either way, this action will open the login window where you can input your information. Next up, it's time to enter your login details. Carefully type in your login, which is your account number. Then enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as given. Finally, input the server name provided by your broker. Once you've entered all your details, click OK. This will initiate the connection to your broker's server. You should see a confirmation message or a green indicator, which means you are successfully logged in. If your login attempt fails, don't worry. There are a few common issues you can check. First, confirm that you're using MetaTrader 5, not MetaTrader 4. They are distinct platforms, and using the wrong one will prevent you from logging in. Also, double-check your login and password for accuracy. Even a small typo can cause login issues. Make sure you have selected the correct server from the list. This step is crucial because each server is specific to certain accounts. Another thing to verify is your internet connection. A stable connection is necessary for the platform to communicate with your broker's server. Finally, ensure you're using the credentials provided by your broker. These might differ from the password you use for your broker's website unless they are explicitly the same. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to log in smoothly and begin managing your trading activities. Remember, the login process is the gateway to accessing your trading account, so it's essential to get it right. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact your broker for assistance. That's all for today's tutorial on logging into MetaTrader 5. Thank you for joining me, and happy trading.